Hi guys, let's make the popular Africa hairstyle puff puff. Sometimes we do call it akara. And this hairstyle is perfect hairstyle to start your natural hair. And this is my daughter, and this is my first time of making her hair after some time. You can see from how short the hair is. So the reason I call this hairstyle is the perfect style, or the reason we start this hair to we use this hairstyle to start our hair when we want to start making hair is because it help to to pick the hair from the root, and it help the hair to stay intact, like it help the hair to grow fast as well. So, and I want to start my daughter hair again, and I also thought this would be the perfect hairstyle, and I want to share with you how to do it on case hair. So starting off, you have to moisturize your hair. Don't do it on a dry hair, because the reason is that it will be so painful on the case, and you'll not be able to part the hair or even comb it or even pick it. So you have to make sure that you moisturize the hair first with water, and then with leave-in conditioner. Then you proceed to apply oil. With this, the hair will be looking soft, and you'll be able to part it and comb it without the child feeling pain at all. Of course, I did not show the part on this video because I just finished washing her hair when I started making this part. I started making her hair, which I will show you later on when we get to the back of the hair. Because by the time we get to the back of the hair have already dry. So I show you that process then. So you start by working on a straight line or on a circle, depends on how you want it to be. You can do it rectangular, or you can do it you can do it in this form that there's no particular order, I think I will say, because it's not, all you have to do is to make sure that the hair is neat. And the thing is that when you wrap the part that you want to make the puff, make sure that when you tie the rope, it should go to the direction of the next one you want to do, if that makes sense. If you are following a orderly form and you want to tie it in the next direction of hair. The reason is that if you tie it on that direction of the hair, the next one, it will not put the previous one you already make. If you pay close attention to the one I'm doing, you'll be able to understand. Like this pop-off hairstyle is very, very, very popular, and I'm not really seeing kids making it these days on the social media space, because this hair, as I was making this hair on my daughter's hair, it brought back a lot of memory. Like this hairstyle is what I started to make. Like this is my first hair that I used to learn to make hair, like to learn how to make hair. Back in Nigeria, I used to see like other grown-ups in my area making this hair, and I just look at them to learn how to make this hair. Then I started practicing this hairstyle on my younger ones, like my cousin, neighbors. Then after learning this pop off, or we usually call it akara, no, now they call it pop off, but you can call it pop off or akara. So it's really funny, right? So then I practice it on the kids in my area. Then after perfecting it, I moved to threading. Then after perfecting the threading, then I moved to picking Bob Marley, and so on and so forth. So that is how I started learning how to make hair. So that being said, you can use this hair to start to make your daughter's hair. You don't have to retouch your daughter's hair. You don't have to retouch the hair. You just have to learn how to do this pop off. Do it constantly, and with time, this pop off. And one thing I love about this pop off is that it makes hair grow. Like it makes hair grow so fast. It makes hair grow so fast. I don't know how, but it really makes hair, like it picks all the hair from the root, and it helps hair to grow so fast. You don't have to retouch your daughter's hair. And if you are making this hair or your daughter's hair, also pay attention to your daughter's feeling, to your daughter's scalp. Like kind of feel it if they are tight. Like try to pull it, and like try to raise it from the scalp. So if it's not lifting up, just know that it's too tight. And if your child is saying that particular one is tight, just lose it and do it again. It will be less painful. And if you do the method I told you earlier, it will also be less painful and less stressful for your child. So my daughter used to have long hair, but the like it's a long story, so I don't want to go into that. So we are starting the hair again, and I think this one is a perfect hairstyle to start with, and it's very easy, it's very stress free, and it's also low maintenance. So you don't have to do it once it's scattered. You can retrace it again, or you can lose it altogether. Wash the hair very well, and then do another pop off again, or another hairstyle again if you want to. So, and this is what I did to the rest of the hair until all the hair is all done, if that makes sense. So it's not really like I used to pack her hair when she was younger, but now she's kind of open like, hey, mama, it's paining me, but I was really gentle. It's not really too tight. So this is what I was telling you earlier. When we get to the back, it's all dry, and if I start going on like that, it will be so painful. So first I spray water, make sure the hair the water is well saturated, then I apply a leave-in conditioner. This hair product is is the best for my daughter's hair. I've been using it, and I don't think of changing it anytime soon. The only thing that will make me look for different product is when the product is out of the market. But as long as that product is in market, I'll keep using it, maybe until it grows to the point whereby she cannot be able to, like it's too big for her, then I will stop using it. But as long as I am concerned, I will start using that product because it's really good. Like I recommend it to people, to parents, like they should get that product for their daughter because it's really good on my daughter's hair, and it's really good on her scalp. So I repeat the same process. As you can see, I always tie the hair, like the last part, to the direction of my next hair. So if you don't do it that way, the hair, you will struggle to get this right, because if you tie it to your left, for example, and your next hair pattern is to your right, imagine pulling that thread from the left to right, or from right to left, it will get messed up. So you really have to tie the hair to the next direction of the hair. I actually use make the thread longer because I want it to go around for a long time. I don't want to start cutting thread one at a time. And I showed you two thread. One is thicker and one is a little bit slimmer. One is for sewing and one is for knitting. So it's the one that is for knitting that I use to make the hair, because her hair was short. I was thinking that one that is used for knitting will be too thick for her hair, but that is what I end up using. So I was not able to use the lighter one, which is used to for sewing cloth. So at the end of the day, it all works fine, and the hair lasted 1 week. Like it lasted a whole 1 week, because I wasn't uploading the video at the time I make it. So when I'm done making the whole hair and this point, I just proceeded to apply my DIY oil on the scalp. This process is to give the scalp a shine and to moisturize the scalp. So you can skip this part if you don't have it, but it's best you apply something, and then I massage it a little bit just to relieve the pain a little. And here the hair pop off hairstyle is ready. Like it's really nice. It changed her face instantly, because she was having this low cut for about 4 months now, and then she have this hairstyle, and it's really cute. Hope you enjoyed this video, and hope you watched to this point. If you like it, please share to any mother out there to be of help. Bye.